The expression 19.4x gives the pounds of carbon emissions for burning X gallons of gasoline. Part A. It takes 5 gallons of gasoline to commute to your work in a week. So how many pounds of carbon do you produce in that week? Well, the answer. We take the gasoline, which is 5 in part A, and replace it with the gasoline in what's given. So X is the gasoline in our given part of the problem. So we're going to replace that X with 5. Our answer is then 19.4, and instead of the X, which is gasoline, we're going to use 5. Moving to our calculator, when we multiply the two, 19.4 times 5 is 97. And what does this mean? Again, the expression gives us the amount of carbon, so that's 97 pounds of carbon that are produced in a week. Part B. It takes only 3 gallons of gasoline to commute to your work in a hybrid car. Save you money, save you carbon too. So the question is, how many pounds of carbon are produced in that hybrid car? So again, part B, we're going to replace our gasoline, which is now 3, in place of X. So we write 19.4, but instead of X or 5 this time we put 3, and when we move to our calculator, 19.4 times 3 is 58.2. And again, that's pounds of carbon. So significantly less. Part C asks us, how many pounds of carbon is saved by driving the hybrid in a week? So we can do that just by subtracting. 97 minus 58.2 is, on my calculator again, 38.8 pounds, and that's really pounds per week is saved. The follow-up question in part C is how many pounds of carbon, how much carbon is saved in a 52-week year? And we can get that answer by taking our 38.8 for 1 week and multiplying it by our 52-week year. And again, on my calculator, when I do this, I get a pretty surprising answer. It gives us 2017.6 pounds.